Hello kid, how are you? Today we are going to draw a princess. Let's start it. First we draw the head. We draw a curve like this, and we draw a bit of her hair, a little bit curly hair, and here too another curl. Then we draw a crown on top her head, a tiny beautiful crown, because she's a princess. Now we draw the neck and part of her body. The arm, the waist, and of course the dress, the beautiful dress, the princess dress. There we go. Okay, and the arm is like that, and the dress. Okay. Now we draw the nose, mouth, with a smile of course, and then the eyes. She has beautiful eyes. Just draw round eyes. Okay, beautiful. Don't forget the eyelashes and the eyebrow, of course. There we go. We also want to draw some flowers because the princess loves flowers. Flowers are beauty, don't you think? And another flower like this. Very easy. And another one here. Beautiful flower. Okay. And we draw some breast here. And another flower in here. and the lips, because the princess is playing at the flower garden. Another grass there. And a butterfly, a beautiful butterfly by her side. There we go. And we draw hearts on there and here too. Okay, now we are ready to color it. We color the face with the pink color or any color you want. Any color are pretty for the princess. The neck and the arms, of course. Don't forget to color it. Okay, depend the arm and the other one. Okay. Then we we paint the crown with gold colors or orange color. Very pretty. And of course we paint the hair with yellow. Okay, beautiful. We paint the dress with purple. Beautiful dress, isn't it? Let's continue. Let's continue painting. Okay. Okay. Now don't forget the eyes. You have to color the eyes. Some part with blue, white, and black. There we go. color the flowers and the grass. And draw some stone in there. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you like it, kids. Bye bye.